Tagamse, Haim TC, Hadi Pinsa. If you're in Odisha and need a helping hand with your finances, you're in the right place. Welcome to G Lakshmi Enterprises. From loans to insurance, from bill payments to travel tickets, we've got you covered. Need a loan? We offer home loans, business loans, instant cash loans, car loans, personal loans, and even KYC loans. Looking for insurance? We provide health insurance and car insurance to keep you and your loved ones protected. Got bills to pay? Whether it's electricity bills, allied payments, gas bookings, or water bills, we make it easy and hassle-free. Need help with Aadhaar and PAN services? We handle Aadhaar corrections, new voter ID applications, new PAN cards, and ration card applications. Banking needs? Open any bank account, transfer money, withdraw cash, and more with our banking services. Planning a trip? Book your train and bus tickets with us. And that's not all. We offer over 400 services through our CSC centers. Contact us today at 831066868887 or visit our website w.laxmipay.com for more information. G Laxmi Enterprises, your one-stop solution for all your needs.